am so happy to be here with you again. I'm Tracey Lewis with the Success Majors team, and I am here with you today to talk to you about, get a listen to this, property tours. These online property tours. We have them on Saturdays on the East Coast and the DC, Maryland area. And so every Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, we are on a Zoom meeting with one of our junior investors here in the community, the real estate investing community. We're a national real estate investing community spanning from coast to coast, from California all the way to Boston, Massachusetts, if not even higher, northeast than that. And let me not forget, on another previous video, I forgot to mention that we are also in Washington, D.C. So in other words, we're in L.A., we're in D.C., we're in Chicago, we in Atlanta, we in Utah, we in Denver, we all over the place. And yes, the only way you get to know about us is from people like myself telling you about our group. So having said that, we have property tours. They're online. All you got to do is hit me up, respond, click on the link below, and you will be able to register for the event. And I will be sure to get you the Zoom link so you can join us on Saturdays. If you are interested in real estate investing of any sort with multiple exit strategies, you want to get in touch with me, come see what we're doing. We feature students, junior investors doing fix and flips, wholesale, tax deeds and liens, people buying multifamily properties. Matter of fact, we had two students on the other week, about a month ago or so, and they were showing us a resort that they purchased. And they are cash flowing that thing. They are going to have a positive upside in the first year. Matter of fact, you can actually make a request to get that video. If you want to see it, I can get that to you so you can see our students and all the success that they're doing in our real estate investing community from having the know-how. So none of your own money, none of your credit, but you got to have know-how. And remember, our motto is real estate investing is a team sport. Exactly. So definitely hit me up, click on the link below, make a request, register to join us Saturdays, every single Saturday, unless it's a holiday, Christmas, New Year's, that sort of thing. Every single Saturday, East Coast time, 11 a.m., and I'll be happy to share with you how to get on. Anywho, I am Tracey Lewis, here from the Success Majors team with you today. Trust you're having a great one. Go out there and continue to make your mark in the world, and I'll talk to you again. Sometime soon. Take care, and please, by all means, follow me. Thank you. Take it easy.